Oh my god. A little bit of jerk seasoning never hurt nobody. Oh my, no, not that much yet. This isn't even okay. Once it expires.
We'll be fine. Beans?
Beans?
Check it out, I'm in the house like carpet.
Yep.
And if there's too many heads in my bluff, I won't spark it out, put it in my pocket and save it like rocket fuel. To every bite it's gone in the school, then I spark it up with my brother. His mama in the road, but I call it low mother in his floor, then it cover he's a whip. We're putting shit together like the house that John built on a hill. Is this shit gonna feel like no? My style fits
We'll make it work.
If you hate it.
Goon Cave does it different.
But in a day or two, I'll make you a true believer in me, cause like the alphabet you'll see. Some kicks a rhyme, not your everyday soliloquy. But Chef O.R.D., our rhyme is truly cooking. Piece of Matty Rich, cause he's straight out of Brooklyn, New York. I don't eat pork or swine when I die. I drink a cup of Kool-Aid, not a big glass of wine, or a hint pine if you have time to drop rhyme again.
More allspice.
Awesome. What's the piece needs?
What?
Some allspice.
It's kosher salt, so it's salty, right?
Too salty.
Too salty.
What does this recipe need?
Ground mustard.
Some ground mustard.
No, it isn't.
We'll make it work. Goon Cave does it different. You know what this recipe needs?
Nutmeg.
Some nutmeg.
It'll help it keep from burning.
Oh.
Listen, apparently it's not that much.
Oh my god.
Why is it burning? It's burning on the bottom, that's what's happening.
Oh shit.
Yeah, wait, we need to wait down. No, this
Some vanilla extract.
I can't get it.
Oh. So you need some tang.
will help. No, this no, this